Alright guys, welcome back to Fastback Life. I'm TK. We're back to working on the Charger again. I did some couple things off camera, but today the focus is the windshield. Planning on taking the windshield out if I can. We'll see how it goes. But like I said, I did a couple things off camera. I took the windshield wipers off. You can see they're both gone. The motor's gone. I took that out. Not too bad. Just I'm bolting the motor. There's some stuff underneath the dash where all the rods were to make it go back and forth. But ultimately not too bad to take out. The only thing that was kind of a pain in the butt is that there's like little rods sticking out here where the windshield wiper actually goes on. Well, there's actually like teeth, and then the other part that slips over, it has teeth, and they kind of lock into place. And then there's a little clip. Well, you got to hit the clip, pull the clip out, and then you got to pry that windshield wiper blade off. It's doable, but it's been on there for how many years. So that's the only thing that's kind of a pain in the butt. Let's see, what else did I do? The windshield, the passenger side rear glass is all out. This one's all out too. So both slides, you got a back slide, a front slide, and then there's the regulator that picks the window up when you crank it, puts it back down when you crank it. All of that's out. They're each in their separate bins. One for driver's side, one for passenger side. And as you can see, all the trim all the way around is gone. Same with the other side, all the trim is gone. So the window stuff, the trim, the windshield wipers, it's all done. So what's left is this windshield, front windshield. That dash has to come out. Can't get the dash out until I get the windshield out, because there's actually bolts up here somewhere that you can't get to unless you take out the windshield. And then the rear glass has to come out too. That's the one I'm most worried about. I think it's actually the biggest piece of glass. That's a pretty big piece of glass. Anyways, that one has to come out. Front one has to come out. And then all that's really left is to get underneath the car, cut the brake lines, cut the fuel lines off of the body, and then this car can get some major work done to it. It needs some body work. As you can, if you watch the other videos, you know that the quarter panels, the lower quarter panels are bad. Let's see if I can get a couple shots of this. There's some damage here. Not too bad there, but some more damage there. So that has to get kind of pulled out, maybe cut out. I really don't know. And then some damage here. So it has to, there's a bunch of hammering that needs to be done. Some cutting out to be done. I wouldn't say this is terrible, but it needs work. So, like I said, front windshield. It's kind of the goal tonight before it's totally dark out there. So what I've done so far is this seal actually opens up, and opens up on the bottom. So I opened it up throughout the whole thing. Top's opened up, bottom's open up, both sides are opened up. And I cut, I don't know if this is going to make any sense. I took my razor blade and I stuck it in here and went the whole length all around the window. So this is all up here. So it's all like cut away from the glass, except for the inside. Inside of the glass is not cut. So it's kind of like glued, like they put glue on the windshield, slipped it over the windshield. There's like a little groove in there, put glue in there, slide the windshield on all the way around. And then there's probably a lip in here somewhere that I can't see, and I just kind of slide it in. I'm guessing. I don't know, but it opens up on this side. It doesn't open up on the back side. It's kind of difficult to cut away the gasket on the inside, so I'm doing it from the outside. The glass is, it's in okay condition. I got a scratch right here. I've got some very small chips. That's actually a pretty big one. A bunch of little ones all over the place. So, like I said, it's okay. It's not great, but I'm pretty sure that that cannot be buffed out because I can feel it with my fingernail. So, I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm gonna try and do some work to it and see if I can get on the inside, cut the windshield from the glue on the inside, and then cut this, cut like right here on the corner, cut it all the way up, remove like this lip here, and do the whole thing on the other side. I'm hoping I've only got to do 3 sides and I'm done, I hope, and she'll kind of pop out. Then we'll take the glass, and I've got some mats on the other side of the garage where I'm going to put the glass on the ground, lean it up against the garage, find some way to secure it. I'm putting it on that side of the garage because kids don't go over there. Kids come in here, kids are in the back. So I'm going to put it in the back. I'm going to try and figure out a better way to store it. I don't really want to bring it downstairs into my house. We'll see. Not sure yet. But anyways, that's the plan. I'll get you guys set up. We'll see how this goes. So enjoy. We'll see if this thing comes out. Alright guys, I'm going to give this a try here. Maybe she won't come up. Go to the other side real quick. Seemed like it was loose enough. There we go. Still a little sticky. Alright, hon, you want to come help me? I was thinking about just putting it down by the blue bin next to the car, but I'm going to have to climb over, I think. Yep.
Slide it this way. Set it down. Come over here. I got it.
Okay.
You want to step over here, please? Huh? That orange hose. Can you go step over by the orange hose? Yep. Perfect. Thank you.
Let's go. It was definitely a lot heavier than I was expecting. Leaned up against that. All we gotta do is move it to the other side later on. Alright, thank you, hon.
You're welcome. Let's go inside. Yep, let's go inside.
Whew.
I'll fix it.
So that worked. I was able to cut that seal all the way around.
Nope.
Get the glass loose, all in one piece, surprisingly. Had my wife help me out. I wouldn't suggest one person doing it because if the glass is any good, you don't want to be breaking it. So there she be. It's all out. All I have to do is rip out that seal now, and then I should be able to get that dash out. Now, I am not by any means saying that this is the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it. Did it work? Yes. Am I happy with that? Yes. Would I have liked to keep the seal? Well, that's a hard question to, you know. It looked like it was in good shape, but you know, if we look at the glass, you know, was there water getting into in between the glass? You know, so I don't know. I don't even know if the glass is any good, to tell you the truth. Technically. So, would I like to have a new seal all around the window? Absolutely. You know, I'm redoing the car. Why not put a new seal on it? So, I might get new glass. I might not. I don't know. It's still okay condition. It's still usable. I mean, technically, isn't in the greatest shape. I'm not one to say, you know, that's for a professional. If I can have a professional come over and look at the glass and be like, look, you know, the glass is starting to peel away from each other. It's probably time for a new piece of glass. Awesome. You know, I'll do it. But super stoked about this. Is this gonna come out now? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let's see if we can get it all out. Oh. So, I mean, looking all around, it doesn't look like it's rotted or anything. You know, there's a little bit of rust in there, but it's painted. It was painted and then, you know, had that sealer put in. So, I think for the most part, this is actually pretty decent. Let's take a look. If I get this all out. Ooh, she's sticky. Oh, come on. Oh. Let's go around the other side. I'm pretty excited about the glass. Won't lie to you. Pretty excited. Alright, I'll pull from up here. Alright, it all looks really good. The corner looks like she's a little rotted. Might not be that bad. Come on. There we go. Still doesn't look that bad. Well, I'm impressed. You know, if I have to fix up a corner, what to do? Now, that was actually a very big concern for me, was getting the windshield out and there being some pretty bad rust around the windowsill. It's a pretty common thing with older cars. Definitely a concern that I had, but in all reality, it doesn't look that bad. But look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Now I don't know if this is possible, but an idea is to flip these bolts and go up from the bottom, because then you could always take the dash out. I'm just saying, without taking out the windshield. So, windshield's out. All the way around looks pretty freaking nice, surprisingly. I'm shocked, I really am. Got the glass out in one piece. I mean, if I'm going to use that piece of glass, all I need is another window seal to go around, throw her back in. And like I said, This rear one's gonna be kind of scary, but we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna do that one. Maybe a professional's gonna do that one. I don't know yet. But it's out. That is a huge step right there. All right, I'm super excited. Can't wait to get that dash out now. Oh man. Anyways, we're good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, let me know. You know, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing the best I can. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Leave a like. You know, subscribe, please. Hit that bell. I don't do many videos, so if you get the bell going, then whenever I do have one out, you'll be notified. I still can't pump these out that quick. Busy. So, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.